Lucy Down. I'm a technical marketing engineer at SolarEdge. So we're here today with the commercial indoor storage and also our SolarEdge inverter. So a bit about the SolarEdge company as a company. We offer an inverter, simplified inverter, alongside an optimizer. How that makes it a little bit more beneficial is you get more energy from the system. So with optimizers, you have a fixed string voltage on your simplified inverter, and this will mean that none of your optimizers then on after and the modules are affected by shading. If it was a traditional system, for example, one underperforming will affect the consequent others. That's a little bit about the optimizers themselves and the inverter, but moving on to our commercial indoor storage, this will be out in 2025, half of next year. It comes alongside the DC box, so we'll just go a little bit about how we wire these two together because it's different to what you'd be used to. With the inverter, you would normally attach your PV directly into the inverter. With the box here, you put the PV into the box, your inverter DC wiring into the box as well, and battery wiring DC into the storage. So I've just said it's DC storage, so what that means is we can use as much of our oversizing as possible. So with the SolarEdge system in commercial, we can oversize by 175%. That's what makes it beneficial for the SolarEdge storage. We can use that additional energy on the DC side, and also for DNO applications, you don't need to reapply for adding this battery. So that's one of some of the benefits of the battery itself. In terms of the specifications, with our range of inverters, it's the 30, 33 and the 25 kilowatt inverters. With the 25 kilowatt inverters, we can have 51 kilowatts on the storage per 3 units. So at the moment, this is just two sides together. We can actually have an additional part here. Looks very similar to the end piece here, and that can give you 51 kilowatts. With a 33.3 kilowatt inverter, you can actually do 66 kilowatts. So what that means is we have 3.6 kilowatts for each module. They're all removable, and for demonstration purposes I can move them here now. So as you can see, you would assemble each module individually, so it's assembled on site rather than pre-assembled. And each DC connection can be easily done using a tool. If we press the button down here, you can see the tool there. Just for demonstration, we've taken these out, but they would be still contained within the DC and within the input there. So really importantly, about weights, these are 55 kg. Some of our other modules within the rack as well are 20 kg. So be aware that you need to use a two-person lift for those particular modules. So when you come to wiring, there's a communication board within our main unit here. So that's where you will put all your RS485. We also have our power modules that go connected into each module by module. You'll see some connection ports at the top here as well. That offers some sort of redundancy in the sense that if one of these modules were to go down, the others will still perform. So you can have the option there. You can remove the units one by one, as I said before. Really importantly, there's a CSS indoor, so it's only for indoor applications. We do have a CSS outdoor option, so what's really important to remember is when you're choosing your storage solution, have you got an indoor space for the CSS indoor? This is more for smaller commercial, medium-sized commercial installations. Something like the outdoor would be for slightly larger. And finally, just to note, with these batteries themselves, you can put 3 per inverter, so that can scale up to 0.5 megawatts. So that's the SolarEdge storage device. We obviously have other options, so when considering all of those options, please do see our CSS outdoor solution as well. But that's it from me, so thank you very much.